renovations are something that are brought up in real estate quite frequently, and for good reason. While, yes, the renovations are for you personally to use in your house, so you want it to be whatever you want, you also need to consider resale value. You never know what life is going to throw at you, so you always need to be prepared to sell your house. So, with that being said, what are the three best things to renovate in your house so that you can make sure to get the most bang for your buck? But before I get into that, if you could head down below and hit that subscribe button, along with the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our content, and hit that like button if you happen to like what I'm talking about. So, in probably an order of most bang for your buck, number 3 would be renovating your bathrooms. Bathrooms nowadays are probably going to run you somewhere around $10,000-$15,000, just with the cost of materials and things going up. Just freshening up a bathroom really makes a big difference, especially in something like an ensuite. Just, helps bring an extra level to the room. You can usually expect to recover at least 75% of your investment, according to the Appraisal Institute of Canada. So, updating a bathroom, never a bad idea. The goal for a lot of renovations is to essentially get 100% back, and at least 75, not bad. Second on the docket would be windows. Updating your windows is a huge thing. I know, especially in older properties, one of the very first things we do when walking in is we check the age of the windows. Windows will usually be $10K at the very minimum. Obviously, it greatly depends on the number of windows, the size of windows, all of that. But the good thing about windows is you will most likely always make the cost back in the actual sale of the home if you don't actually just make the cost back based off of the money you save on heating and cooling your house, assuming you're using the most energy efficient windows within your budget, which you absolutely should be. Windows are there to help you save heat and money, not just let light in. And finally, the biggest thing that you could renovate, while also probably being the most impactful on the value of your house, is a kitchen remodel. So, kitchens are probably going to run you 20 to 50K for an entire remodeling. You could stick to something smaller and just repaint, replace appliances, maybe change the backsplash or something like that. But if we're talking full remodel, 20 to 50K. Now, you're probably going to get at least 80% of the return on the kitchen. And kitchens are not normally something that you want to renovate in order to sell. So getting at least an 80% reimbursement on a kitchen, on your dream kitchen, we'll say, is not too bad. Also, if you consider, while making the kitchen, make it a little more accessible for older folk, because we do have an older population here in Ontario. Just things like lower light switches, maybe, counters a little bit lower. Obviously, entirely depends on the price range of your property, but that's more of an individual talk. So, those are the three big renovations that I feel you could do to, at the very least, make your money back on them. So, bathrooms, windows, and kitchen. If you liked the video today, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell down below to stay up to date with all of our content. And hit that like button as well. Assuming you've seen at least one of our videos, you keep coming back, and if you made it this far, you like us at least that much, so you might as well hit it while you're down there. But that's it for me here today, guys. Happy renovating, and I'll see you in the next one.